So here I am in the Cougar 29BHL. So this is one of the smaller fifth wheels, which is a good starting point for someone like me. This is under 34 feet, 8,500 pounds, sleeps 10 people, and it has the new ABS brakes, which are going to keep this thing from swaying anywhere. Hi friends, this is Janine Pettit, founder of Girl Camper, editor-in-chief of Girl Camper magazine, and brand ambassador at Keystone. So, here's the change in my life. I've got 3 new grandbabies under the age of 20 months and I don't want to leave them. So I took a seasonal site for the upcoming couple of years because I want to be as close to them as I can. So now I am shopping for a fifth wheel, a home away from home, a place that my children and grandchildren can come. I can use as an extra office when I want to get out of my house, a girlfriend getaway, and a summer home. This space right here is super important. It's the family room, it's the kitchen, it's the heart of the home. Whether you're in an RV or whether you're at your home, there's so many things that I like right here. And one of them is this love seat right here. I'm gonna pick the option of having the couch. So there's a couch I can get here instead, and it all folds out for big stadium seating, so it becomes this big giant lounge that the whole family piles into to watch a movie. So our entertainment center is here, built-in DVD player. I can imagine rainy nights where we are watching Frozen for the 99th time, but that's okay with Grandma. Also, this booth that is right here, great place for board games. We are a game and card game family, so I love the booth here. It comes with a bench that is added storage. That bench slides into the bunk room for an extra office, but let's talk about the kitchen in here. So this is an enormous amount of counter space when it comes to RVs. So I love all this prep space here in the kitchen. Big double stainless steel sink, cabinets, the microwave. I always like an oven. I was so impressed when I opened this by how much storage space was inside under that sink. So a lot of times you have to have the tiniest garbage can, but you could fit a full garbage can in here, and a really nice size refrigerator. Another bonus here is this kitchen has 2 big windows, so when you're cooking you can vent it. I love the feeling of height going in here, and it has its own air conditioner here and an air conditioner in the main bedroom. So you have 2 separate units, and it's ducted into the bunk room. I gotta show you the bunk room because this was a key feature I was looking for. I wanted a dedicated bunk room with a door that closed, so when my daughter-in-law has to put the babies down, they're in there, the door is closed, but we're right here. Let's take a look at that bunk room. So I want to use this as an office. I work from home and I get sick of it, so I can drive down to my seasonal site less than an hour and a half from my home, and this extra bed in here folds up and becomes an office space. So I can pull the bench in from the kitchen, pull it up right here. I love this. I don't know if it's actually a chalkboard, but you can paint it with chalkboard paint. Put your notes there. You've got a table, you've got cable. This thing folds down. There's a double bed back there. Dedicated twin beds up here. So window on each bunk, 3 windows all together in here, plus the rear door. Easy access to get my Buzz bike in and out. So when I'm leaving for the weekend and I'm leaving my bike, I can leave it safe and sound in there. Ducted air conditioning in here. But I love that when the babies are sleeping or grandma is working, this door can close. And this room really serves a lot of purposes. Up a couple steps, past the beautiful bathroom, and we've got a beautiful queen size bed here. A separate air conditioning system so I can control the temperature here, very important to me. I love the built-in wardrobe, that's on a slide. So I've got a closet, 3 drawer shelves, and I still get extra storage here, and this bed pops up to stuff all that stuff that you're not going to use on a regular basis. Another great feature is the bathroom here. It's a beautiful 3-piece bathroom, walk-in shower, built-in bench, skylight underneath, vented fan going on in there. tons of cabinet space, and just a beautiful place to be able to store all the stuff you need when you're camping and not have to use the campground bathroom, because this one is beautiful. Here's some features on the outside. I've always wanted a griddle. I can imagine the pancakes, the burgers, the steaks, anything can be cooked on there. The storage outside is spectacular. Put all my grandkids' little bikes in there. This one is moving to the top of my list.